failure to stop before traversing through highway or failure crossing, failure to yield right of way, failure of the driver entering the highway from a private road, or a driver upon the highway to yield the right of way all vehicles approaching such highway, failure to yield right of way to ambulance, police, or fire department vehicles, failure to yield right of way at a through highway or a stop intersection.
Okay, sabi niya, failure to yield. Kaya dito, halimbawa, approaching kayo ng pedestrian. Nakita niyo na may tao daw sa pedestrian. Supposed to be, dapat mag-stop kayo before mo sa pedestrian. Then, let that pedestrian pass by before kayo mag-proceed. Ano? Hindi pwede, unahan nyo, gawin yung businahan nyo sa pedestrian para hindi tumawid. Ang rule is pagbibigyan daw po natin yung isang pedestrian, whatever na siya ay nakatayo na doon sa pedestrian lane. Failure to stop before traversing through highway or railroad crossing. Yan. If ever kayo ay nag-enter sa isang national road,